Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be learning 50 beginner Japanese phrases focused on talking about hobbies. These phrases will help you express your interests, ask about others' hobbies, and have more engaging conversations in Japanese. Whether you're chatting with a friend or exploring new activities, these phrases will make your Japanese sound more natural and confident. Ready to dive into the world of hobbies in Japanese? Let's get started.
Talking about hobbies.
Hon oyomu no gasuki desu.
I like to read.
Hima na toki ni nani osuru no gasuki desu ka.
What do you like to do in your free time?
O nga ko oki ko no ga daisuki desu.
I love listening to music.
Anata no shumiwanan desu ka.
Do you have any hobbies?
Sak osuru no gasuki desu.
I like playing football.
Ichiban suki na shumiwanan desu ka.
What are your favorite hobbies?
Rairi osuru no gasuki desu.
I like to cook.
Supsu o shimasu ka.
Do you play sports?
Eiga o miru no gasuki desu.
I like watching movies.
Dona o nga ko okikimasu ka.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Deningu gasuki desu.
I like gardening.
Dansu to o nga ko dochira gasuki desu ka.
Do you prefer dancing or music?
Ai oka ko no gasuki desu.
I like painting.
Shimatsu ni nani o shimasu ka.
What do you do on weekends?
San po osuru no gasuki desu.
I like going for walks.
Kaki o hikimasu ka.
Do you play a musical instrument?
Ryok gasuki desu.
I like to travel.
Iga o shimasu ka.
Do you do yoga?
Oyogu no gasuki desu.
I like swimming.
Suki na shumiwanan desu ka.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
Iga ka ni iku no gasuki desu.
I like going to the cinema.
Dona supsu gasuki desu ka.
What sport do you prefer?
Shashin o toru no gasuki desu.
I like photography.
Bideog mo gasuki desu ka.
Do you like video games?
Setsu oyomu no gasuki desu.
I like reading novels.
Tomodachi to gaishatsusuru no gasuki desu ka.
Do you like going out with friends?
Kako no gasuki desu.
I like writing.
Hima na toki ni nani o shimasu ka.
What do you do when you're bored?
Ken ni iku no gasuki desu.
I like going to the park.
Eiga to terebi dochira gasuki desu ka.
Do you prefer movies or TV series?
Uta o no gasuki desu.
I like singing.
Yoko supsu o shimasu ka.
Do you often play sports?
Bichi ni iku no gasuki desu.
I like going to the beach.
Tokobetsu na shumiwa arimasu ka.
Do you practice a particular hobby?
Podokyasu to okiku no gasuki desu.
I like listening to podcasts.
Kuritibo na shumiwa arimasu ka.
Do you have creative hobbies?
Hashiro no gasuki desu.
I like running.
Suki na shumiwanan desu ka.
What is your favorite hobby?
Jitensha ni noru no gasuki desu.
I like cycling.
Hinpa ni hakubutsu ka ni ikimasu ka.
Do you go to the museum often?
Kazoko to jikan o sugosu no gasuki desu.
I like spending time with my family.
Autodo ano katsud o shimasu ka.
Do you do outdoor activities?
Atarash resutoran o haken suru no gasuki desu.
I like discovering new restaurants.
Hiking mo o shimasu ka.
Do you do hiking?
Pazuru o suru no gasuki desu.
I like doing puzzles.
Terebi shirzu o yoko mimasu ka.
Do you watch TV series often?
Jengo o manabu no gasuki desu.
I like learning languages.
Suki na iga no janruwanan desu ka.
What type of movies do you like?
Borantia katsud o suru no gasuki desu.
I like volunteering.
Omoshiro shumiwa arimasu ka.
Do you have any interesting hobbies?
Fantastic! You've just learned 50 beginner Japanese phrases about hobbies that will help you express your interests and have engaging conversations. Keep practicing these phrases to feel more confident talking about your hobbies in Japanese. For more interactive lessons and fun practice, visit AirLearn through the link in the description. Good luck with your learning journey and see you soon.